How to connect Uniswap to Trust Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application. Once you have done that, you need to tap on the Discover tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you will be able to see some of the featured dApps. Now among these, you need to simply try to find Uniswap. If you are not able to find Uniswap over here, then you can even use the search bar, and here in the search bar you need to simply type Uniswap. Now once you type Uniswap, you need to simply tap on the search option and it will redirect you on google.com, where you need to tap on Uniswap so that you could be landed on the official website of Uniswap. Now once you are over here, you need to simply tap on the connect button that would be in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to select your trust wallet. Afterwards, it will ask you for your approval, so you need to tap on the approve button and wait for some time until it is connecting your wallet with it. Once the wallet is connected, instead of the connect option, you will be able to see this type of star, which is the indication that you have successfully connected your trust wallet with Uniswap. Now you can select the tokens of your choice and you can start the swapping process with your trust wallet. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.